Hello viewers, so look at this table called student report. It is an absolute disaster. We have student 101 and look at the subject column. So in the subject column he has Java and C++ stuffed into a single cell. This is what we call UNF or Un-normalized Form. You can't query this and you can't even update it easily. So let's fix it using our normalization wizard. So step 1, the first natural form. The first rule of database is that every cell must have a single value. We call it atomicity and we need to break that Java and C++ cell apart. So what will we do? We will apply 1 NF and what happened? This table splits into the rows. Now student 101 appears twice, once for Java and once for C++. Now every cell value is atomic. This is 1 NF. And step number 2, second normal form. So let's look for the partial dependency. Our primary key is the combination of ID plus subject. But look at the HOD. Does the HOD depends on the student ID? No. The HOD depends on the subject. If the subject is Java, the HOD is Mr. Roy and it doesn't matter which student is taking it. This is what we call partial dependency and let's break it off. So we will apply 2NF and there we go. We moved the second and HOD data into their own tables. Now HOD depends fully on the key of the table. This is 2NF. Step number 3, that is third normal form, or you may say 3NF. So next up is transitive dependency. This is like a chain reaction. Look at the city column. The city is Datia, but why? Because the zip code is 475661. Technically the student determines the zip and the zip determines the city. So student is directly related to zip and zip is directly related to city. So we don't want this chain. We need to separate the location data. So what we will do? We will create another table and now we have dedicated location table. The main table only keep the zip code, no more chains, and now it is in 3NF. The last is BCNF, or you may say Boyce-Codd Normal Form. We have the strictest rule, BCNF. Look at the professor table, professor column in table number 1. Here is the tricky part. A professor only teaches one subject. So if I know Professor P. Sharma is, I automatically know the subject is Java. But wait, professor isn't a key. In BCNF, if a column determines another column, it must be a key. So we need to fix it. So we will apply BCNF and that is the final form. We created professor skills table to handle that relationship. Now every table here is a clean, organized and redundancy free. This is how you go from messy spreadsheets to a BCNF database.